Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, today we're in Mablethorpe. So today there's actually a beach festival going off today. So they're actually going to have a band on the beach a little bit later on. So John Marshall's coming on at 7 o'clock tonight. If you don't know who John Marshall is, he's been on Links FM for years and years. So hi there John, if you're watching. So yeah, I'm going to walk you around Mablethorpe today, showing you what there actually is for families that can actually do. So if you've never been to Mablethorpe before, I'm going to take you around to the places where the families can actually go and where there's things to see, and there's an amusement park, there's go-karts and all stuff like that. So yeah, I'm going to have a quick walk round. I'm going to go into the town as well, where there's actually a continental market on this weekend. So all those flavours from all across the world are down there cooking those beautiful meals and stuff where you can go and buy. Yeah, so before we go, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and you're new to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well for all my new uploads I'm going to be putting out. And don't forget, if you do like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. I must say thank you to all my subscribers as well for getting me over 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and let's keep it going. We want to hit loads and loads and loads. So I want to get doing this full time and showing you all around the world, you guys. So yeah, let's go on that adventure. Let's go for that wander. Let's go.
Within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older.
Right, so they say that Mablethorpe is one of the best beaches on the Lincolnshire coast, an holiday resort. I have been to loads more beaches along the Lincolnshire coast, and you can't beat Anderby Creek and Chapel St Leonard's. So Chapel Marshes, if you never seen Chapel Marshes before, check out my video where I did the like a beach tour from Anderby Creek, Chapel St Leonard's, all the way down to Huttoff, showing you all those beautiful beaches. And yeah, the sand's beautiful down there. There's not a lot of attractions around some of the beaches. It's just a quiet, nice beach to relax on and even walk your dogs. Yeah, so we're starting on the north end. So we've got like a Captain Jack's Crazy Golf here. Well laid out this is. I don't know if you can just see over the fence how good it actually looks. But yeah, Captain Jack's Crazy Golf. So it's nice music playing, isn't it? So yeah, what a beautiful day it is. It's been raining all week, and now hopefully the rain's gone and we're going to get some beautiful weather all the way up to Christmas, hopefully. So we've got a little sand train down there, if you can just see. That little sand train actually takes you to Golden Sands Holiday Park. So it's £3 a ride per person, or one way it's £1.50. Yeah, it's a little beach ride there, takes you to Golden Sands. As you can see, they're setting the stage up for tonight, where there's going to be a band on and stuff. I think it's 7 o'clock till 10 o'clock tonight. And yeah, let's just hope that rain stays away. We don't need any of that rain. People want to come down and have a good time in Mablethorpe. We don't want to be walking around with the coats and brollies, what do we? But the beach is getting quite busy. The sand's been all tidied and cleaned. But it is a good beach, nice clean beach. I say there's lots to do on the seafront as well. It's a little bit windy, so hopefully we won't get some wind noise. You've got the cafes here, you've got the fish and chip restaurant on the beach as well. They do burgers and waffles, donuts, as you can see, and ice creams and stuff. You've got the Dunes entertainment show bar. I don't know if that's actually open. It must be just open at night or later on today. Yeah, big stage going on there. Look. There's going to be live music playing later. It's actually the Beach Party Illuminations Day, believe it or not. Yeah, so just here we've got the amusement park for the kids. So yeah, loads to do on the beach. Right on the beachfront, that amusement park's been there for years and years. I can remember coming when I was a kid. So on the seafront here, you can look at the lovely people all sat enjoying the sunshine and enjoying the views. Having a candy floss and a coffee, breakfast perhaps, all on the seafront. Yeah, I think it's going to be a good day today, to be honest. Got a little sweet shop there, look.
In the crowd, it's getting thicker. But get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, just check out how busy that beach is getting now. If you actually go further down that way, there's actually a little boating lake, and there's like a paddling pool for all the kids as well. So they have a little, I think they have swans on there. Also a little train ride as well that goes around the lake, I think. So I've not been down there before. If I can get a chance, I might nip down there. Right, let's take you a walk through this fun fair. Not many people on it at the moment.
Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Right, there you go, then you got the fun fair there for all the families, and yeah, it's been there for years, that fun fair, and it's a really good fun fair. And the rides are not that dear as well. They're only the big rides are only like £3 a time. I don't think you can get wristbands, I'm not quite sure, but yeah, £3 a go, it's not too bad that. Right, see, straight opposite we've got the Beck. That looks a good pub there to go and get a Sunday carvery. I think they actually do it every day. Yeah, day and night it says over there, and a full menu as well. So we've got a few bouncy slides and stuff around there as well. But yeah, coming across, we've got the little go-kart track. There's nobody on it at the moment, but yeah, the kids would love to go on the go-karts when they're in Mablethorpe. Also, if you're on holiday, don't forget to bring your scooters and your skateboards, kids, because there's a skate park and a little play area as well over there. Right, so let's take you for a wander towards the town, where this continental market's happening. Right, you see the road is actually closed off down the far end there, just past the traffic lights. They normally close that off in one day in the week to do the market, but yeah, they've closed it off for the continental market this weekend. Yeah, so we've still got all the favourite amusement arcades. So we've got Jackson's over there, and then we've got a family amusements here as well. That Jackson's one there, God, that's been there some years. I can remember being sat outside Jackson's with mum and dad in a pushchair, and there's actually a photo of me with two little spider monkeys on my shoulder, believe it or not. Right, so we've got the seafood as well. How you doing, you alright? You're going to have a busy day today, you think? Hopefully, yeah. Looking good anyway. Yeah, so on the front here you've got all the ice creams and all the sticks of rock and the gift shops as well. So yeah, really busy day today. I don't know if because this festival's on why it's so busy, but it's a good thing it's on. Getting all the crowds here. But yeah, you want some Mablethorpe rock, get yourselves there as well. So yeah, if you've never been to Mablethorpe before, there's loads of places to stay. There's the Golden Sands, a lot of people go and stay at, and they say I can like walk down here, like my mum and dad used to tramp us down to Mablethorpe and back. It's a fair walk, but it's all right. And then I think there's Trustthorpe and places like that where there's caravan sites as well, but yeah, there's plenty of sites to come and stay at, and it is a nice little place, Mablethorpe. Yeah, so if you like the seaside towns where there's loads of stuff to do for the families, loads of arcades, you've got the Mirage there, and they've also got a bowling alley in there as well. And then this side of the road, another amusement arcade called Bibby's. So yeah, there's loads and loads to do here. Yeah, you see they've closed the road off, which they normally do one day in the week to have the market on here. But yeah, this is the Continental Food Market. Yeah, so we've got food stalls from all over the world here today. So yeah, you need to come one year and try the delights out. And if you've been here this weekend, write in the comments and let me know if you've enjoyed yourselves while you've been here and what foods you actually ate. So yeah, I love my fudge. Just check out the fudges they've got here, beautiful. Black Forest Gatto fudge. Rum and raisin. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, for some reason as well, we haven't had this for a long time, but a lot of ladybirds kicking about, biting everybody. So yeah, if you're here this weekend, write in the comments down below that you had a load of ladybirds actually trying to eat you. Yeah, mixed in with all the food stalls as well. You've got like your knick-knack stalls and stuff as well. So if you just don't want food to look at, you can actually look at all the stalls that's happening. Scotch eggs there with the cheese sausage rolls and stuff going. So yeah, they look really good, all that lot. The jewellery. But yeah, it's a good thing they have things like this. It does attract all the tourism into the town, and this is what they need. And you can see through the years as I've been filming, I've been filming a few places where I've had like a few festivals on. There was one at Sutton-on-Sea we used to go to, and it's no longer on no more. So the Vintage Festival that used to be there, really good festival I filmed last year. Not having it on this year due to lack of support, so I've been told. Damn shame. But a lot of these stalls, I've actually seen them at the Christmas markets and stuff. So yeah, the Viking horns there. So yeah, loads of food stalls. Yeah, so this guy is selling all the types of different coffee. So French vanilla. How you doing, all right?
All good, thank you.
You're gonna have a busy day.
Well, you live in Hope.
Are you here today and tomorrow?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, it's been good, yeah. It was yesterday, all right.
Steady.
Steady? Well, at least it hadn't rained.
Yeah.
But,
Thank you.
see you, pal. Yeah, burritos there, look. They're making the burritos. They look really good as well. Also got, see, the Noodle Bar Express. So yeah, all the noodles there. More fudge. But yeah, everybody loves fudge. And the Taste of Germany with the giant hot dogs. Giant bratwurst, beautiful. Yeah, let's check out how busy it's getting. It looks really good. So yeah, the guy said they're here Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So we need to keep this rain away so everybody can come down here and enjoy this lovely food and what's happening down here this weekend. Take card, yeah? Yeah, can I have a bratwurst then, please, with onions? Right, yes, I'm trying this bratwurst. How much is the bratwurst? £7. Right, I can't resist a bratwurst today. But yeah, looking really good. So you had a busy weekend up to now? Yeah, good. Yes, please, mate, yeah. So check that out. Yeah, so I've got myself a Bradford's hot dog there with onions, white bread. Looks really good, this does. So it cost me £7 off the German store. So yeah, let's give it a try. Absolutely beautiful. And yeah, just check out the sausage there. But I don't know if I'm going to eat all this. It's massive. So I've got tomato sauce on it as well. You can't have hot dog without a tomato sauce. Yeah, so the bread is nice and fresh as well. So yeah, really good that. Yeah. So yeah, £7 from the Continental Market, from the German store. A Bratwurst hot dog. Yes, I really enjoyed that. Yeah, it's all gone. So yeah, in my tummy, that's filled me up, that is. I wasn't going to eat all that, but yeah, I managed to eat it all because it was so delicious. So yeah, that is the Continental Market with all that food on it. Yes, I've got the Caribbean food right at the very end with fresh coconut water, a boneless jerk chicken. Yeah, and also for the families as well, if you're coming to Mablethorpe, you could walk this straight down from the amusement park on the seafront. It'll probably take you about 15-20 minutes, but yeah, Russell's International Circus. So all seats £7.99. So yeah, bring the families to the circus. Right, so there you go everybody, hope you enjoyed that little wander around Mablethorpe. That was really nice, that was. So it's nice to come for the day and it's not raining and the weather's good. So yeah, loads happening today in Mablethorpe. I didn't realise this was happening today with the Continental Market. Plus John Marshall on stage with a load of bands as well, on at 7 o'clock tonight till 10 o'clock. So yeah, you're not going to make it this weekend, but yeah, the years to come there'll be lots more stuff going off. They need to get a bit more advertising done though, because you don't see much advertising on the Lincolnshire coast like you used to. They used to be really good at the advertising and all the events, but for some reason you don't hardly see any of it at all now. But anyway, so if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen any of my videos before, I do a lot around this area. So I did a lot in Skegness, Cleethorpes, so like Mablethorpe here, and I go around the country as well. And I try and do a bit abroad. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that. So before you go, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for all my new videos coming up. And if you really do like it, give me that thumbs up, it really does help. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video in Mablethorpe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.